Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make flavored rock candy. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. You'll also need a clean saucepan, a heat-safe glass jar, and wooden skewers or cotton string for the crystals to grow on. This simple setup is all you need to begin your sweet science experiment. Next, combine your 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water in the saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals completely dissolve. It's crucial not to let the solution boil too vigorously, as this can prevent proper crystal formation later. Aim for a clear, syrupy liquid. Once your sugar is fully dissolved and the solution is clear, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now is the perfect time to add your desired flavor and color. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of food-grade flavoring extract, like vanilla or cherry. Then, add a few drops of food coloring to achieve a vibrant hue. Mix thoroughly to distribute evenly. Carefully pour the flavored sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Dip your wooden skewer or string into the solution, then let it dry for a few minutes to create seed crystals. Suspend the skewer in the jar, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Place the jar in a cool, undisturbed spot for 5 to 7 days, then enjoy your homemade rock candy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.